Hi everybody, welcome to Sunny Calabria. Press the palms of the hands together as you come to comfortable seated. Take a few moments to connect with breath and checking in with how your body feels, your mind and your emotions. And then bringing the hands to the lap, we'll begin to circle. Inhaling as you circle forward, exhaling to circle back. Inhaling, exhaling, just nicely warming up, change direction. Inhaling back, exhaling forward. If you need to stretch the legs out as an alternative, you can do that. If you're in a chair, hands are on the lap still. Coming to center. And then if you're cross-legged, you change the cross of the legs, stretch the legs out if you wish. And then inhale, lift the chest, maybe lift the chin. Exhale as you round. Inhaling to lift. Exhaling to round. So kind of a cat action, but from seated. Inhaling to lift. Exhaling to round, warming up the spine. And then come back to neutral. And just roll the shoulders back. And from here we'll come through to an all-fours position, hands on the lap if you're in a chair. And if you need to pad the knees, make sure you have the support. Inhale, exhale, just begin to sway the hips slightly from side to side, spread out the fingers. And then inhale, step the right leg through or help the right leg through as we come to Anjaneyasana. Exhale, draw the shoulders back, lift the sternum as you look straight forward, breathing. And then press the left hand down, right hand can come to the waist, or you might float the right arm up as we come into Pavrita Anjaneyasana or a twist. Another option is to roll forward so you're off the knee, take the back foot. No obligation, it's tricky, so fine not to do that. And then releasing if you've taken that option, inhale, exhale, and then from here, lift the back leg, lift the back knee, and we come up to a crescent moon pose with the hands at Anjali, or you can lift the arms up, see what's doable, just get your balance there. You might need to widen your stance. And then inhale to lower the knee, exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. If it bothers the knee, don't do it. Exhale to lift. And then bring the hands down. Step back to plank or knees down plank. And then lower the body, elbows in. Hold your plank. Good. Up onto the toes. And then push back into downward dog. And then just walk the dog. First downward dog of the class. It's total body class. Lengthen back if you wish. Breathing, feeling, relax the head. Then inhale, knees down, release the toes. Exhale, left leg forward, back to Anjaneyasana. Inhale, exhale, sink the hips forward, shoulders draw back. Again, you have the option, pressing the right hand down, coming into a twist. You might lift the left arm up or have the hand on the hip. Breathe in. Final option is to lean forward so you come off the knee and possibly lift up the back leg. Maybe take hold of the foot or not. Breathe in. Again, always look after your knees. See what's reasonable in your body. If you've taken that option, then you'll release the foot and bring the hands down. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the back knee and then lift up into crescent moon, Anjali, or palms facing. Press into the front heel. Strong legs. Good, deep breath. And then inhale, dip, exhale, lift, inhale, dip the knee, exhale, lift, last one, inhale, dip, exhale, lift, or just hold static, circle the arms down, step back into plank, or knees down plank, your choice, hold and breathe, lift the backs of the knees, squeeze the glutes, push out through the heels, and then lower through chaturanga, release the toes. From here, coming into Sphinx pose, elbows down, steeple the fingers. Inhale, lift the chest forward. Make sure you're not tensing the glutes. And then exhale, swim the arms back if you wish. This is another option. Come into Shalambhasana or locust pose. Lift the legs, lift the arms, or you can keep the heels of the hands down. Just do what you can. Breathe in, and then hands underneath the shoulders, tuck the toes, push back to plank. Exhale to downward dog. From here, step the left foot forward, coming into Virabhadrasana B, Warrior 2. Relax the shoulders and then take the arm around the body as you take the right arm forward. Inhale, exhale into wrap around reverse. This is dynamic movement. Inhaling through Warrior 2, wrap the arm around the belly, exhale, extend. You might extend both arms, or you can keep the forearm on the thigh. Breathe in. And then back to warrior two. Inhale, exhale, reverse warrior. Keep bending into that front knee. Then straighten the leg. That should feel nice. Inhale, arms out. Exhale as we come into Trikonasana, or extended triangle. Know you can have the hand at the shin or above the knee. See what's doable in your body. And then look down. Press the right hand down, back to plank, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, upward dog, back bend of choice. Exhale to downward dog. Left heel down. Inhale, step through with the right leg. Virabhadrasana B to the right side. Exhale as you arrive, wrap around, lean forward. Inhale, exhale, wrap around, reverse, lean back. Inhale, coming forward. Again, you can stay with that, or you can extend the arms out to the side. Deepen the breath, and then back to warrior two. Exhale, reverse warrior. And then inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale. Inhale, lean forward for extended triangle. Exhale as you float the left arm up. Relax the shoulders. Choose your drishti, your gaze point. And then bringing the hands down. Step back into plank. Lower. Hold, and then walk the hands back into downward dog. Step or jump through to Utkatasana, chair pose. Hands can be on the thighs, prayer hands, or palms facing. Squeeze the glutes as you sit back, look down. Keep the neck relaxed. Good. You might sit all the way down or use your hands up onto the toes as we come to Navasana preparation. You might hold the shins. You might go hands free. You might lift to the halfway point. Keep squeezing. Breathe in. You might go to a straight leg option with a bit of a shake like me. That's okay. Stay with a shake. Enjoy it. Good. Keep breathing, and then bring the feet down as we come into Baddha Konasana. Exhale to round. So just releasing the groin. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, back to neutral. From here, bring the left heel in, step over with the right leg. If that's too much, keep the left leg straight as we come into Ardha Matsyendrasana, or Lord of the Fishes variation. Twist into your right side. Relax the shoulders. You might take the elbow over, or just hug in with the inner elbow. Good. Stretch the legs out to neutralize, have a wiggle. And then right heel comes in, step over with the left foot, or keep the right leg stretched out. And twist into the left side. Press weight into the back hand for stability. Strong breathing. Inhale to center. Exhale to release the legs. Inhale, come into Paschimottanasana. Any of those grips is fine. Good. Keep the back nice and long though. Exhale. So you'll see I've come higher up in order to preserve the length of the spine. You can take the shins, the ankles, and then scooch forward until you can lie down. Bring the knees in. Inhale. Exhale and just have a rock from side to side in Apanasana. From this position, bring the palms down. Exhale, lower the left leg as you keep the right leg up. You can keep the knees bent. Exhale, right leg comes down. Inhale, back up. Exhale, left leg. Keep the chin tucked, back up. Exhale, right leg. Inhale, back up. Exhale, you might try both legs, maybe a third of the way, maybe halfway. See what's doable. Maybe press the palms together as you lift the head, or not. And then come to half laughing baby. Inhale, take the back of the thighs, shins or ankles or feet. Exhale as you rock from side to side. Good. Releasing the back muscles. Bring the feet down. Lengthen all the way out into a brief Shavasana. Big inhale. Exhale to let go. Know if you want to stay longer here, just press pause. Let go entirely. Absorb the prana from the practice. And then bring in some movements to fingers and toes. Deepen the breath as you move the head from side to side. Big inhale, full body stretch. Big exhale, release. Bend the knees, bend the elbows. Have a squeeze in and a rock from side to side until you can roll over to one side. Pause. Note any changes. And then coming through to a comfortable seated position, however that looks for you. Press the palms together. Big inhale. Exhale. Om. Gently bow the head. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on this total body yoga class. If you enjoyed it, press the like button, subscribe. If you're interested in our retreats, do have a look at my website on the link below.